Hi, listeners. I'm David Hefty, Chief Executive Officer of Credent Wealth Management. Welcome to our year-end wrap-up.
And I'm Edison Byzyka, Chief Investment Officer. Thank you so much for joining us today as we say goodbye to 2020 and look ahead to a brand new year.
From all of us at Credent Wealth Management, we wish you a happy and healthy new year. Today, we'd like to briefly recap key 2020 events and share our thoughts and outlook for 2021. We're coming off the heels of a turbulent year. A global pandemic, bear market, global recession, bull market, and a presidential election. That all actually happened in 1 year.
So experiencing these global and local challenges really puts things in perspective, David. Uncertainty riddles the financial space, from unpredictable markets, both at home and abroad, to ever-changing policies and laws. Investors then must be able to cope with these uncertainties in any given year. But we foresee 2020 being forever labeled as a year of extremes. For starters, 2020 drove us into a bear market at unprecedented speed. The declining pace was shocking, even for the most seasoned investors. But throughout this process, you were never alone. Our team of professionals helped guide you away from making rash and emotional decisions and toward choices that would help further your long-term goals. Our tactical and driven team also stepped in with active equity market participation adjustments, daily and weekly tax loss harvesting, and dove headfirst into our tax-centric capabilities. We implemented these steps with care and diligence, using your financial plan as a unique guide. If you'd like to hear more about our team's insights during the depths of the bear market, please take a look at our video series on our YouTube channel.
That's right, Edison. We extend our applause to those who stayed the course and even increased their equity market participation in such a turbulent year. Your financial plan is our top priority, and we will always be committed to helping you reach your goals and find financial freedom. No one could have predicted, our firm included, that the equity market would have rebounded with the same fighting spirit with which it declined, bouncing back within 6 months. What we did know was that the cycle of stock market volatility remained plainly and unequivocally normal. We know we don't have control over the markets, and neither do you. In fact, no one can predict or control the activity of the markets. So instead of belaboring this lack of control, it's important to turn our attention toward the things we can control and the many opportunities we can help clients take advantage of. 2020 has reaffirmed the advice we give to our clients day in and day out. While some pieces of your plan remain out of reach, there are many more elements that you can control, like spending, saving, and perhaps most importantly, your equity market participation. Edison and I have talked about control in the markets quite a lot this year, especially the relationship between control, the markets, and the election. Our election mini-series, Your Money and the Election, Stop Fear and Take Control, delves into the intricacies of the market's relationship to our political system. We cover topics on how the forefront of investors' minds we're going to cash, investing to gold, inflation, taxes, and more. If you want to hear more, just go to our YouTube channel.
That was a great series indeed. David, it allows us to really address specific questions, concerns, and topics pertinent to our clients. Now, at this point, I think we'll successfully recap 2020 to some extent, so let's dive into 2021 a little bit. So as we walk together to this new year, we definitely remain optimistic on several fronts, ranging from the labor market to positive consumer sentiment spurred by this new work-from-home economy. Now, we've seen consumers remain notably healthier and encouraged than in recessions past. Savings accounts are at record highs, and the propensity to consume has not faltered. Pent-up demand could easily transpire into more corporate earnings and investments and benefit the markets. Either outcome will produce positive results for investors and the economy.
Our team will remain vigilant as we continue to learn more about the coronavirus and the distribution of the vaccine. While a change in executive leadership will certainly bring about some changes, we expect neutrality in foreign trade relationships and will keep a watchful eye on the actions of Congress. At the end of the day, we believe that the American dream is alive and well. And it's our mission to guide clients throughout life's most important financial events with service and expertise above and beyond your expectations. We take our role in your financial lives very seriously and remain enthusiastic about serving you and your family for years to come.
Thank you so much for tuning in today. We always look forward to addressing you on key subjects that influence your financial lives every day.
Yes, thank you everyone for joining us today. And remember, if you'd like to hear more about our take on the COVID-19 pandemic and our thoughts about the election last year, visit our Credent Wealth Management YouTube channel today.